Hello friend, my name is Ashok Sijala. Today we learn basic standard control in ASP.NET with C Sharp. Let us start. First, open the Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2012 for Express. Here, here, VS Express for Web. VS field Visual Studio. Okay. First, file menu. We already create the website in my first demo. So if you not learn the or you have to not know how to create the new website folder, then go in my first demo. Here I have opened my website folder and create new file. You can create many files in one website folder or web form. Okay, web form. Here we give the uh, we have to print. Our goal is we have to print two field of student. So student give the name. Here checkbox is not unchecked and select master page, but after in series of my video lecture we have to also learn the master page. Okay, here uh, alter shift and enter, you can full screen. First beginning you have to type the source code. ASP is a prefix, ASP colon and panel. We have to one take the panel control for container ID P1, then give the run at server side. Okay, and then group text is a like student information, and here we give the pair tag. This tag hold the starting and ending tag, that is known as a pair tag. Okay, then after ASP colon we take one label. Okay, for roll number, ID, label, LBL or run at server side, and text also give for example per roll number. Okay, and that is the end tag. Label is a single tag or panel is a pair tag. Okay, type of tags, there are four type of tags in any web technology, like pair tag, single tag, without attributes and with attributes tag. Second, we have to take one text box, give the id, prefix is txt and rno. We have to identify in our coding file, and run at server side, always give the run at server side, because all ASP.NET control in work and the server side. Here we have to check our design. Here three tab is there: source, split and design. So our designing is student information, that is the panel, label, and here is a text box. Okay, so we have to copy for next time next field. Okay, here just copy and change. We have to not require label in our coding file, so not change label id is not requirement, and here give the name. Okay, second field for student name, and we have to require the text box id, so txtnm, and we have to let us check the design. So it continuous line, all control is appear. So we have to, you know very well, in html br tag is break the line. So here we have to provide the here line, and also take one button for submission that form to print our two field information for student. So bt submit give the id of button, then run it always is server side, and text is a submit. Okay, then also we have to provide here uh, br for new line. We have to take one label asp colon label for output or displaying two field for student. So here give the id compulsory lbl answer, then run it server side, then text is, we can say that output. Okay, so that label is to student information. look like for design, how looking our page. So if you enter here, then better look out also here, and double click in submit button, then code behind file is open. If you not double click, then also open in solution explorer here our student aspx file, then in code behind file student.aspx.cs, also click that same file is appear. Okay, let us coding start. That is source code file, that is a source or design coding, but we have to start now C# coding. Okay, lbl answer all our IDs appear in library. So in label text, we have to print to text box field value for student. First, we have to come give the heading for roll number, and plus sign is a concatenation of two field. So txt rno for our first text box ID, then further plus sign, give the break new line for second field appear in new line, plus sign text, then text, give the text and semicolon ending of the our first line coding. We have to just only one line. Okay, control S for save and F5 function for run your web page. Let us check our output this page. We have to print just two field information, and this session we have to learn panel control, label control, text box, and also button control and button click event. So here designing is we have to give one for roll number and name for RAM, and click on submit button. Here output is displayed. Okay, let us we have to print also on the response. Response is a member of page class. Response dot write, write is a method. We have to just copy above code to our write method and copy and paste. Control C and control V. So control S for saving, and let us run further for next time. Our output is 2 times appear in the our website, so our web page. So you have to let us check how it is print in the 2 time output. Okay, we have to give 2, and here is a any name like Krishna. Okay, submit. So response dot write is a appear in the our designing, so you have to not give, because response date is a first priority for, so above the our designing, so better you have to print in label. Okay, so we have to just comment for response dot write. Either you can print in the label text, or you can use the response dot write. So I have complete my session. Before I complete my session, I also one point under learning, give the background color for panel, like back color is property. So we have to pick here, so many color is there. So here we have to first give any color for our background. Okay, we have to give select the some light color. Okay, and foreground color, ForeColor for text color. Here we have to, I think, select the blue. Okay, you can select any for your choice. So let us run in third time our same page. Let us check some normal background color and foreground color. Okay, our label or sub. Okay, we have to not okay, so this is a better. Okay, that is the end of my today's session. So after we have complete this session, next we have to learn how to radio button checkbox all standard control. See my next video. Okay, and subscribe my channel also. Goodbye.